Transactions are income or expense entries. Every income or expense amount has its own transaction entry. Every transaction has the following resources: an item name, a due date, that's the date that the amount is to be paid or received. It's linked to a budget. It's allocated a transaction type. To learn about transaction types, go to the tutorials. It's allocated an LSFG category. Again, to learn about LSFG categories, go to the tutorials. An amount. If it's an expense transaction, the income amount will be 0, or if it's an income, the expense amount will be 0. A paid checkbox. There must be an item name, a due date, a budget and a type for each transaction. These are required. The SLFG category is optional but highly recommended. If an SLFG category is not allocated, it will be automatically assigned as uncategorized. There must also be an income amount or an expense amount. This is the amount that you intend to pay or the amount you intend to receive on the due date. The paid checkbox is checked when a transaction has been paid or received. This is useful when updating your budget. When preparing to start a budget, you'll need to gather all your expenses together. Every expense and income, even if you're not sure what the amount will be or the exact date it's due, should be allocated a transaction. To see how you enter transactions, please go to the tutorial for adding transactions.